Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. Firstly, open your Trust Wallet app on the Trust Wallet browser extension. It's important to know that the Trust Wallet browser extension supports assets transfers on Ethereum, Solana, Binance, Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and EVM chains. Select the crypto asset you want to deposit and copy the deposit address. You'll find this address when withdrawing from Kraken. Now log into your Kraken account, navigate to Withdrawal, and select Withdraw to begin the transfer. Choose the asset you wish to withdraw and pass the Trust Wallet deposit address you copied earlier into the withdrawal address field. If you've previously added the Trust Wallet address, you can skip this step. If you're adding it for the first time, click on Add New Withdrawal Address. Confirm it and then enter the amount, review the details, and click Confirm to confirm the withdrawal. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.